Hi, let's make a unique mobile stand from popsicle sticks. First, take 6 popsicle sticks. Then we'll draw 2 lines on the scale on the first 3 popsicle sticks. Then we'll draw a line on the scale on the other 3 popsicle sticks. Then we'll cut the sticks according to the number shown in the video. After cutting, apply glue to the first 3 cut popsicle sticks and stick them well. Then glue the other 3 popsicle sticks in the same way. Then we will glue them both together. This is one part of the stand. Similarly, the other part of the stand is also ready. We will make the mobile stand like this. After that, we will take 3 popsicle sticks and we will make supports for the stand. Apply glue to the stick and stick it to one part of the stand. Then glue it to the other 2 popsicle sticks and stick it. Then we'll stick the other part of the stand to the first part. After that, apply glue to the center of one of the popsicle sticks. Then apply glue to the center of the other popsicle stick. Then glue them both to the bottom of the stand. This is our popsicle sticks mobile stand ready. It can hold both mobile or tablet. If you like on a video, please subscribe and click the bell icon.